Hello and welcome to today's wonderful session from AI. And it is the math review session that we have learned throughout the last 3 to 4 sessions. It is for 1A and 1B. So, what is that thing? The math is based on Singapore Math 1. So 1A, 1B is already covered throughout this process. So you need to keep watching. So, what are the maths we have learned throughout the last 3 to 4 sessions? Let's have a look. The first thing is, what is the base of a one-digit number? Very simple. Starting from 0 to 9. Think about a one-digit number. It can be 7, it can be 9, it can be 8, it can be 6. So the one-digit number is always in between 0 to 9. So the next thing is, what are the baseline of the two-digit number? Two-digit number. It is from 10 to 99. So 11, 27, 79, 89. These are all two-digit numbers. Now, we really want to explore O, T, and H. What is that? What is T and what is H? O stand for ones. Again, O stand for ones. T stand for tens, and H stand for hundreds. So the logic is very simple. Whatever the digits we are getting, we need to rearrange those things into O, T, H. Firstly, we really need to write a three-digit number and point out what is O, what is T, and what is H. Let's look here. Wiper, yes. So as long as we are trying to say, let's have a look. See, I lost my marker. So it is like, think about 790. Look very carefully. Here, this is O, this is T, and this is H. It's hundreds. This is tens. And this is ones. So think about, it is not been given as hundreds, as tens, and as ones. Now, how can I rearrange it? Think about 790 as different digits. So H, O, T, H, O, T, H. So think about very clearly. We're going to put 9 here. We're going to put 7 here. We're going to put 0 here. So it does mean it is only a two-digit number. There is no value for hundreds here. And starting with tens, that is 79. That is 79 in words. Okay. Again, if we really want to put here, think about like 970. It is also possible. Is it also possible? So it is ones. Okay. So as I have written it in so much better, let's have a look. I'm gonna write that thing into a little bit up so that you can watch it. So the logic is very simple. Here it is H T O, but O T H is best. So 790 was our digits. 790. So think about, we really want to put here 970. So 970 can be an option. Again, if I really want to put something, this 709, it can be an option. 907, it can be an option. 079, we already did. This can be an option. So we can rearrange the small digits from here and can make new numbers. Another key point from this map is, think about like on basis of positioning, it is 10, it is ones in basis of hundreds. Think about like these two numbers, 970 and 907. So we know that to differentiate two numbers, what is the greater the number, what is the larger number, what is the smaller number, we need to look very clearly what is the last one, leftmost digit of that number. That is 9. Both of them are 9 here. Both of them are 9. And it is standing in 100. Very clearly, it is standing in 100. But to articulate what is the best possible way to find the next possible thing, that is in tens. Now, for tens, this is 7. Now, for tens, this is 0. So, the first number is larger than the second number. Why? We can write it easily again in the front. So we'll be writing it here again to make you more clear about the thing. Let's look. 970, 907. So for hundreds, both of them are 9. For tens, one is 7. That means 70 here. And one is 0, 0 here. So, as in tens position, the upper number is larger. That means it's the larger number. So, on basis of position, we can find the larger number and the smaller number. Another key point that we learned that for palindrome, we can't switch position and change the value of the number. What is that? So palindrome. What it is palindrome? Think about like 111, 222. Can we change the spots? Like think about like OTH here. So 111, 222. Can we change the position between hundreds, tens, and ones? And definitely can make any changes? No. That's why palindrome, even we are changing the position, it remains the same. That's the main thing. From OTH, can we do one thing together? Let's have a look. We are going through all the small branches of maths that we have learned from this one. So, AOTH. So think about it very clearly. So this is 790. Think about it again. So what we can write from this one is 700. Look very carefully. As it is in 100, 700 is possible. And for tens, we can write plus 90. And for O's, means ones, we can write plus 0. That means 790. What about another number? Think about like 232. How can I write this thing? This is, as usual, like 200. For 3, it is 30. And last one is 3. It's been 232. So we know the OTH formula right now. Now we really want to go to the what? Addition and subtraction for this one. Today, we really want to follow the addition one. So let's do it. So, logic is very simple. Again, the logic is very simple. Going to the HTO. So, think about like 777. Look very clearly. And 1, 2, 1. So the logic, we know that ones is adding with 1, tens is adding with 10, and hundreds is adding with 100. So if it is an addition or it's the plus sign here. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 7 plus 9 equals 9. And 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8, 9, 8. Do another one. 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 1. The same thing. 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. This is 3, 5, 3.